Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from December's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Bubbles and Glitz. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Banana Powder, Viseart Seamless Eye Primer, Luxie Eyeconic Eye Brush Set, and the Artist Couture Caliente Eyeshadow Palette. Now that we've unboxed it, let's create a look with the products inside. First, let's moisturize with the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. This claims to leave the skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or a highlighter to enhance the skin's natural radiance. Sounds like my kind of product. My skin is looking quite shiny now, however it is also very patchy and also peeling or rubbing off of the skin, so I'm not a fan of this product. I may just have to test this out a bit more to see if it continues to have the same results for my skin, but right now I don't recommend it. Alright, so now that I did my brows and some face makeup, I'm going to set underneath my eyes with the Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Banana Powder. This matte powder is slightly banana scented. It does look quite yellow, so I am just going to test it on one eye first. And it's definitely coming off a bit yellow. So since that area is looking so discolored, I'm just going to take that off. I kind of figured that would happen just because I have really pale skin. And any powder with any sort of color just doesn't work on me. I always have to use a translucent powder. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face makeup, so now let's do some eyeshadow. First, let's prime with the Viseart Seamless Eye Primer. I have yet to find a primer that I like more than the P. Louise base, but it's always fun to try out the different formulas. Right off the bat, I am noticing that this doesn't have any sort of pigment to it, so it's not doing me any help with covering up my discoloration. Now let's test out the Artist Couture Caliente palette. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. I must say, it's incredibly stunning. Of course, I'm using the Luxie Brushes alongside it. I actually already know that I like Luxie Brushes. Not only are they cruelty-free, but they also tend to be quite small and precise, which works great for my small eye size. First, I'm picking up the shade called Brillo with the Luxie 209 brush. I'm just placing this in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. It's incredibly pigmented and it's sticking to the primer really smoothly. Now I'm picking up the shade called Fuego with the Luxie 231 brush. And I'm just sweeping this back and forth along the edge of what we just applied. It's blending really great and I'm not getting any fallout. Next, I'm picking up the multi-dimensional shade called Mamacita. I'm applying this to the center of the lid using my finger. It's really nice and sparkly. Now I'm applying that same Brillo shade right against the lower lashes with the Luxie 221 brush. And then I'm taking whatever's left of the Fuego shade on the Luxie 231 brush and buffing that out. Here's the finished look using products from the December Boxycharm. I wasn't too impressed with this month's products, besides the Artist Couture palette. When comparing it to Ipsy for the month, I definitely think Ipsy was better. Let me know if you liked what you received in your Boxycharm this month in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.